a major chord. Let me learn basic stuff so I can speak on, you know, the theoretical aspect of music. And I just got sucked into it. So what started off as a hobby became an infatuation. You know, so I got in, and that's how I got into composing and arranging.
Keep it going for Patrice O'Neill.
That's outstanding. Let me do another one. Fantastic.
Oh, God, yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today.
Come on.
Hey, fuck you, man.
Yeah. You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I do.
Kidding, that's your background.
Oh, wow. So cool, you know?
Ready? Sure.
Russell Simmons been 80 years old for the last 30 years. He still looked like he could, you know, bag some young shorty. So I'm saying,
Stag. Have you ever knocked on the door of someone you don't know?
I'm just gonna be quiet for a sec and wait for him to come in.
You ready? Anyway, I want to get all the way to bitch.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.